everyone, welcome back to channel. So guys, if you have ever looked into your dropshipping, but felt it was too complicated, too expensive to get started, and simply too risky, then today video is for you. Recently, I came across a platform called Dropcost, and what immediately caught my attention is that it works a little differently from the most traditional dropshipping platform. So instead of charging monthly subscription fees or expensive upfront cost, Dropcost only earns when you earn. That means your success is directly aligned with the platform's success. So in this video, I will walk through how Dropcost works, what the setup process like, new dashboard is organized, and whether it's actually a good option for the beginners who want to explore drop shipping without dealing with the unnecessary complexity. So now this isn't one of those promising overnight success because or unrealistic income. This is simply to give you an honest walkthrough how you can decide if your drop cost my right fit for you. So what with that? So let's jump in and explore the drop. First of all, guys, here you can check it out. Here's their website. It's also available in front of you. Dropshippers smarter, all your find best product, and they can handle the advertising and suppliers. Come to you track real profit on every order. Only the way when you earn. Here's a get started. When I get started, you can also sign in this platform. And before starting audio, I'm gonna make sure that this video is only for education purposes, not for financial advice. So do your investment at your own risk. And after that, here's it from dropshippers for the dropshippers. They have spent over a decade in e-commerce, and they also have earned every hard lesson they earn is packed into this platform, born from the real experience shared by the other sailors and reserved over theory. And after that, a system not just a tool. Most dropshippers required because they were handed tools without direction. Here's what makes them different because this is what they are going to give a complete system backed by the real world experience. Suppliers come to you, no hunting required. AI selects the highest margin products for you, and advertising managed entirely by their team. As you earn first, then they earn after. You have tried the tools, not the system that actually check out. And how to work, they also have simple steps. Number one, you need to register, create your store, AI select the products, go live, profit, and scale. That's it. In the 6 steps, you can make your dropshipping dreams come true. And why dropshippers choose them? What are the reasons why the dropshippers choose them? They also have supplier came to you, zero risk to start, AI product selection, Shopify and WooCommerce, advertising handle, living knowledge base, 24/7 real sport, referral rewards, and milestone and challenges too. And this from start now, zero risk, everything about it start free. How you can earn, you can simple earning share model, find your balance product sale, and you keep the profit margin every day. You can top up your balance customer order, keep the margin, and profit is also in front of you how much you can get and what dropshipper say. This is the like feedback from the dropshipper, so you can go check them out. And some type of the FAQs are also available there, so you can read it out the FAQs over there. So everything is in front of you. And in the resource section, you can check out their blogs, affiliate program, dashboard features, terms and policy, and the cookie policy are also available there. In the integration, you can check out the store setup, Shopify, WooCommerce, Stripe, PayPal. Everything is available there. So you can check out their payment methods too. And 3 ways to start selling with the drop cost. Just simple. Build yourself AI build store and connect your store. This is simple now. And which option source you, so you can also select the options and check out by yourself. And Shopify is also available there, so you can check it out. So purchase the Shopify store with the AIs. You can also get started with them too. And the Shopify Dropbox is winning combination is also available there. Shopify integration features like that, connecting Shopify to Dropbox. How you can do that, create, run the AI builder, import product to Shopify, launch and sale too. And after that, we're going to the pricing section where you can also check out how the amount will be, how you can get, how the platform can get basically everything. And you can make a sale cost or deducted, the profit is split, and earning full transparency, zero surprises, including every account you will never change, what you will get. It's everything why earning share bid, a bid subscription basically. So you can also check them out. Why seller trust drop cost is also available there. So if you want to check out, you can click on the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can also check out the clean and best dashboard, which will be in front of you. So you can also check them out too, guys. So guys, that was our video about the drop cost. If you are a dropshipper and want to fulfill your dream for the dropshipping, this is the best chance for you. So that was our video. I hope you liked and enjoyed it. So we will meet in our next video. So have a great day. Please keep safe, stay happy. And thank you.